What's the live, what's the life, what's the live, what's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another episode of Let's Chat About It. I go by the name The Real Mates and I'm here with...
This too late guy, one more follow share elephant get jury hour 1 hour. I'm so I 1 hour.
Yes,
We're back again, another week, another episode.
Yo, Gaband.
Hey, Gaband, and then what's on your chat? What's on your chat, Joe?
What's on my chat? Bafana, shout out to Bafana.
Akufanya improver.
Yeah, Akufanya improver. Yesterday's game. Yeah, but we succeeded kancane.
But I wasn't impressed, Jam.
Yeah, it's always really.
Williams move. I don't like that.
Yeah.
I wasn't impressed. Ngibhekelele nje ngangimoshela isikhathi bikubanda nokubanda ishisebenza ophela le game.
Yeah, ishisebenza ophela. I think that's when babe ne effort. I think that's when they realized momentum
be down like yeah, I can't enjoy and otherwise
yeah. But if there's one thing that I notice is that this World Cup really means a lot to abantu. Like yesterday's game really proved it. The country is fully invested on. Like when was the last time a country was invested? Bafana. Yo, so it was beautiful to see. Yo, I saw the videos. I'm watch parties. People were celebrating that goal. I was like, yo, bro.
Even though we draw.
Yeah, it took me back to 2010. I'm like, the last time where this hyped up about Bafana was 2010. Ngabo Spear Shabalala in so yeah,
but
hopefully.
I think we are more invested with rugby, ne?
Yeah, because they never prove us wrong.
I think rugby never disappoint. Yo.
Then shout out. What's on your chat?
What's on my chat? I can say it's Kulmangan vandaag.
Anything life.
Anything life. Yo, jam. Anything life. Ziyakhala ntwana is happening.
Zalila,
I really lied. What you might call it, polygamist.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
What's on your take on that series?
The series, the polygamist.
How do you feel the way we're portraying Akona or Jonas? Do you think Jonas is a bad guy according to you, or Onkumchita is a fuck up players or Jonas?
Yeah, Onkumchita is a fuck up, but Lera Jonas is not even a fuck up. It's like, but then my chat is if Ujonasi was being played by a Nigerian man, do you think it was going to get this hype?
No.
That's what I kept when I was watching the series. I was like,
they were gonna say
Banjalo.
I think they were gonna say, especially African women, they were gonna say as long as they cry on a cheap what they always say, just because it's portrayed by a South African guy, that's how they feel with Tina.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if it was a Nigerian boy, or should tie as long Bonabakalela, what you might call it. But I think I don't think Jonas was a bad guy because he was a provider. Unless
everything he
did
was right.
Majority of the things he did was
because
right.
He was not there for his kids.
Yeah, the one with this, but for
so for the fact that he was providing. Yeah, but also let's touch on the pain, the amount of pain Joyce I told you on that series. Bro, baningi abo Joyce, baningi abo mama abandlule kulezo inhlungu lezo. Bro, she carried that pain and she kept it moving. Like she was strong, not for her but for abantwana bakhe. Like she took all this pain. Bro, ingakho bathi abantu babo mama ba strong, bro.
They strong.
Like
because you know what I can say, Jam. She had an opportunity to leave the relationship. The time she definitely divorced. Young Ton. But maybe because she felt like who spend their investing kakhulu on that relationship. And also
at some point it felt like she was doing it for image, not for the love. She was more concerned about I would lose my brand deals or my job more than anything. And she kept on getting hurt.
That's what I'm saying. She had an opportunity to leave the relationship because it was toxic from the jump.
Then what do you say about Abo Puti, Abafana no Makesh?
Oh my gosh.
Like the brother that's always there for you, the brother that treats abantwana bakho ngathi abakhe, or treats her umfazi wakho ngathi wakhe, but not in that way. In that way ukuthi okay, I can take care of umfazi kabhuti makadinga uncedo hayi ukuthi ngifuna ukulala naye because yacaba abobhuti abaningi they just looking for okay I want to sleep with her but uMagesh on that series ama-intentions wakhe were pure like he
but
was there since day one
but you have now more if you are like that same as Jonas he took ubhuti wakhe as isinaya
yeah okay
inkinga ile that's my only bad thing angibone as isinaya uthi umcovela icherry uMapi wabona ukuthi uzomcovela icherry yabo ukubona as isinaya ukuthi hayi isinaya monjalo don't be too good be good but don't be too good
nah you just made me think about that mina ngicabanga yeah ngiyayibona ukuthi yeah
you didn't imphendula isinaya but obviously when you have good intentions kuphenduka lokho
yeah
but let's talk about life because now it's reality now like 18
I'd like to send this message out ne I don't know why but I just feel like incede ukufika ne amakhaya awafani
yeah
yabona that thing it has to be shared out there or to put it out there ukuthi amakhaya awafani like I always said accept your situation
yeah.
but also maybe accept and ube grateful for ikhaya okhulele kulo pho
and also have goals with okay ngiphuma la so my background is this my situation is this let me put some effort to change the situation
and the sad part
because molokukhala you won't change the situation molokukhala khala uzama nothing great than trying
and the sad part also is that khona ama-family are toxic whereby abantwana they try by all means not to be endlini because njalo uma basendlini they experience trauma so they found ways ukuthi babe as long as angaphandle endlini whether it's playing football whether it's being emakhoneni whether it's being a street kid but somehow abanye abantwana they can't take i-situation yenzakala endlini then they decide ukuthi baphume endlini also
take for instance ama-father and said you'll find ukuthi umntana lese ugela i-background yakhe ayikho grand or kibo ba-toxic makhe nobaba ba-toxic akushayela i-sleep over umbone kancane uza namabhek kancane azohlala uyangithola wena without realizing ukuthi lo mntana wayesenza so uyangithola wena without knowing ukuthi should
the reason
why ubone wena uyazitshela manje umxosha ngezitayela engizohamba ngemajiteni ngiyengibuya athi awuzongithola la uyabo kanti background injalo ama background amakhaya awafani hayi uzobona ukuthi there's majority of fat and sad ngokuthi bayacava abantu baphuma ku situation enjani yabo
and also speaking of fat and sad ngicine nini ukubona umshado or maybe is it where we stay like it's been a long time since ngibona abantu bashada it's been years bro instead ngizwa ama-divorce imishado iless
majority yabantu abashadayo amabheri reason being amajita they want to get married for a status with
it's no longer about love
it's no longer about love good okay abathi umjita especially leza abantu abashadayo lamajita nebukubuku most of the time the one who have mine uyangithola wena mongana nyuku you don't invest on that even though you can try to uhlanganisa imali yokulobola you'll feel like what's important la ngithenga imoto uyangithola what's important la ithi ngizakhela iroom uyangithola that's how ukuthi imishado ingekho or we don't value as such because kukho ama divorce futhi and abogela majority abogela baku esemshadweni they get peer pressure from abantu abasingle uyangithola you can't be single then expect to thola ukunikeza umuntu oshadile ama advice
so do you think it's a thing it's a bad thing or it's an issue whereby you are in a relationship with a girl that earns more than you like both of you are working but she earns more than you
the problem
is it an issue
it is an issue because
okay if she doesn't make you feel like it like she doesn't even make you feel like it but we know that she earns more than you but also she doesn't make you feel like you are less of a man she respects you uyenza yonke into uyasubmissive uyathobela umthetho but she earns way more than you and also leyo mali leyo yakhe also contributes to your goals
and your goals
like she meets you halfway
that's a good thing that's a good thing but most of the time let's say majority of abogela especially abogela who didn't have anything. At least umuntu ocala ukuthi usikhulele esichizini, most of the time abakhulele esichizini they know inyuku, they know how to be responsible. Most of them, let's say umuntu ongakazi abanayo lento le, she will feel more superior than you. Let's say ukela akazi asebenza, then uthola umsebenzi, but it's a dream job, hola 50 bands, I mean hour uyangithola wena uhola mali lese usipana i-retail wena or usipana security, uzofeel ngathi wena ukuphethe, but she won't think ukuthi le njale kade lokhu ngisupporta ngale 4.5 ibiyithola, because then uhola 50k uzofeel ngathi uyangithola.
Yeah.
Unless but abogela abafani, let's just say that ukuthi amantombazana abafani.
Then what do you think
and most of the time that's when you see amajita amaphelela ispan abogela baslides shy slides atsotsi.
Then mawubhekile yini change intombazana?
I-peer pressure, amantombazana bachange i-peer pressure, hayi bochomi, chomi utshelana sipha umsebenzi, uyangithola. Then you feel like then uzozwa yilokhuzana ama-hearsay ukuthi in thola uzwa ngento ezwrong ngawo ukuthi busenzani, then aslides atsotsi, yabo. I think amantombazana, that's how they build. Okay,
yeah, it's how it is.
When it's hectic.
Yeah.
It's in their nature. It's in their nature. When it's hectic, abanye bakhona ukubegeza. Especially they can't begezela umbhedo.
Yeah.
But I won't say wonke amantombazana they will change imali. But as you say, if you're a supporter, it's a win. W for you. Yeah. Well,
it's not a bad thing.
It's not a bad thing, but it is a bad thing. If
both ways,
peer pressure, because when you date umuntu ongasebenzi for 10 years 15 years uyangithola, but I don't think Cherry will date you ungasebenzi for more than 5 years.
Okay, ngeke akubekezelele. It's like common.
Same thing. Yabo
gcina ufila ngathi umthwalo manje,
ufila ngathi
kumele uthole ibhitri,
ufila kumele uthole ibhitri injalo nje. Umgeli ngakakubekezele for more than 3 years. I don't think akakubekezele.
Yes.
Yo, let's talk about lamajita angafuna ukukhula. As in ngiyashaya.
Yeah.
Lesangishaya njalo mayabona isikete ufuna ukushaya njalo mayabona
ukushaya.
How do you feel ngalo machita now who brag ukuthi how many body count do they have, especially esikhathini samanje into lenzo imali,
but
you find ukuthi umuntu has more body than inyuku.
Yeah, inkinga ukuthi thina no youth ne asaid thina sonke we being influenced by izinto wrong mostly. Like that's why they say you'll never see youth being passionate about the country le ukuthi yapi. You'd never see youth being like being involved in such things. But you would see someone being passionate about the groove, I love the groove. Every Saturday we call it groove. You'd see someone being passionate about umjolo. Umjita ukuthi nyaba change nabantwana labo. Left and right. Then the same youth we complain about the changes of this country. We complain ukuthi why into esingayenzeki, instead you could have an input lapho, and to have an input, I always hear people saying you all are just talking on a podcast, you all are just, but that's also we're putting an input. We talk about these things because
what's on
our mind, and we care about this country and what's going on. So as soon as you do a video saying how you feel about this country, then someone will comment and be like, you are just commenting, you are not doing anything.
No action.
Then you are sitting, you're not doing anything, you don't talk about, you don't care. So somehow I understand you why ngafuni ukuba involved into so, because uba involved, I will be involved. Yeah, so
the more what I can say, I think let's say a government knows how powerful is the youth is,
yeah,
they really know. But since we were trapped ukuthi gayan la butshwala banikezana ama drugs, banikezeni more watch time at TV or TikTok so thina soba more invested on that things so ba invested kuma TikTok so be invested kuma lokho and that's distraction
distraction boys
yabo maybe distraction boys kanjalo kuba njalo ukuthi okay youth no sibambile ngeso uyangithola bazofocus ku TikTok thina so focus ekwenzeni imali corruption maybe distraction but I feel like youth, if we can stand together,
Paul, we are powerful, Paul.
We are more powerful.
Paul, you see the amount.
We are more powerful.
The youth that's always at Groove. The youth that's always at the events. Cabanga labo bantu labo mabangahlangana and form their own movement. Labo bantu labo. Take how many people are at Groove ngama Saturday? Different grooves. Abantu base Soweto, abanye base PTA, abanye bakuphi kuphi. Bonke nabantu laba baku Groove ubahlanganise laba ba youth and form a movement. It's shy. But then also you can't tell umuntu uthi ayenzele ngempilo yakhe. They will start having comments.
What I can say I would blame public figures. Because the more I'm a public figure, they don't speak about these issues, social issues. The youth because they are the one who are more influential. If I'm a public figure, they don't talk about using his face as a country, like AKA did young time. So that's why with the when they take a plan, so the youth will feel like. But they know that never grand on their back because they monetize them event. They monetize them brand. That's the thing. And we don't talk about
let us know what y'all think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do the most, and also share this video link with your friends. I go by name the Helmet.
Make sure you subscribe.
1 hour.
Make sure you like the page, subscribe, engage and comment.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We out.
Pity.